Make a great choice today with the 2022 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, remote engine start, power sunroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.